Afternoon, family. It's about 11, 12, 11, 13. At the farthest point that I can go without the birds being shot up. This is still the county next to Nashville, so it's Franklin, Tennessee. I think I'm roughly about 50 miles, if I'm not mistaken. I am gonna try to take a picture of the gauge, but I had to drive around to find this open spot, so I'll gauge it from when I leave here to when I get home or get to the interstate, and that way I'll know exactly how many miles away it is. All right, it's an open field in front of a big church. So it's about 79 degrees. Gonna get them up in the air. They've been out there for a few minutes, maybe about almost 10 minutes. So let's get them up and let them do what they do. This will be the farthest point that I will be tossing from. I'll probably toss here 2 more times. I think we got 2 weeks before our first race, so that's it. A couple more weeks of this, well, 1 more week of this, and then everything else is gonna be loft flying and short tosses, very short. All right, let's get them up in the sky. It's a total of 43. Oh, my fault. 33 birds. I started out with 39 the other day. I got 38, and then I did another toss, 38, only came back with 33. So we're at 33 birds out. Let's see how many gets back. Let's get them. We'll make sure it's set. Yep, it's working. I got one bird in the tree right there. I don't think that bird will be coming back home. He didn't want to leave the box. Look at my birds right there. So we already know 33. That's gonna be 32. They ain't got no height yet, so they gotta get some height before they make a serious turn. The one that went in the tree, I don't think he's coming back, to be honest with you. He didn't want to leave the box. I forced him out. I should have just went on the left one, but hell, I'm not babying birds at this point. Everybody is on their own. If he comes back, oh well. If he don't, I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't know which way they gotta go. All that turning around, trying to find a spot to release them without no power lines. I didn't want to walk out into a couple open fields that I seen. I didn't want to get bit up by the mosquitoes, so I figured, hell, I'll just find a spot that's not too far off the edge. Looks like they're more confident. Well, they still dropping their circle. Let me see if I can. What the hell, I ain't. All right. I think they go. Oh, there they go. over the rooftops. All right, we're gonna call it a day. I'm gonna put it on pause. Maybe after I box everything up.